Hey there, welcome to Tech Helpline. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to clear your YouTube history. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. Clearing all watch history can also help improve your YouTube experience. For example, without a watch history, YouTube will not know what videos you like to watch, which means you'll start seeing more diverse and interesting content in your recommendations. So, in order to clear all your watch history on YouTube, you first need to go to your web browser and type youtube.com in the search bar and hit enter. Now click on these three rows button at the upper leftmost corner of the YouTube. Click on History. As you can see, this is your YouTube history. Now click on Clear All Watch History. Again, click on Clear Watch History. Now you have cleared all watch history on YouTube. I hope you guys liked this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.